Are you a first-time buyer that's not sure where to start? Well, in today's video, we're gonna go over everything you need to know, from your credit score, how much you can afford, and how to get pre-approved. Hey, my name is Jen Rains with the Rains Real Estate Team and eXp Realty, so let's get into it. Well, buying a home is most likely the biggest and most important purchase that you're gonna make. You'd be amazed at how many first-time buyers I speak to that think you need a 700 credit score and 20% down payment to qualify for a loan. The good news is you don't. There are many different plans and it's all very personal where depending on when you apply, I've seen approvals with a credit score as low as 580 and only 3.5 down or 620 with nothing down. Again, the program you qualify for is all very personal and the program guidelines are updated frequently. There are many other factors besides credit that we'll talk about later in this video as well. There are many platforms and apps you can use to review your credit report and score. You can make improvements and review any error on your credit that you need to dispute. Also, while you're in the process of buying a home, make sure you talk to your lender before making any big purchases like a car or brand new furniture, opening new accounts, and always make your payments on time. These things can actually affect your ability to get pre-approved and close on your home. Now that we touched on credit, you're probably asking, Jen, how much can I afford? Well, again, this is all personal. It depends on many factors such as employment. Are you self-employed or W-9? Your income, your debt to income ratio, meaning how much you make versus how much you spend, etc. Your credit score is important to determine your rate, how much you're approved for, and what your mortgage payment's gonna be. Next, what you'll want to do is get pre-qualified by speaking with the lender and answering some questions about your income, work history, credit. This is a good way to get an estimate of how much home you can actually afford. Then you'll want to take it a step further and get fully pre-approved. This is way more reliable because in this step, you're going to be handing in all your documentation for your lender to review, like tax returns, bank statements, verification of employment, credit score, etc. This is what a seller will want to see when writing an offer and showing that to them that you're qualified and a serious buyer. So ready to get started? Next, click the link below. Let's get you that much closer to buying your home. If you're a first-time buyer, watch our other first-time buyer videos. Also, like this video and subscribe to save this page. We've got more for you and we'll see you on the next one.